Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we working on a power washer. It's a Predator engine, commercial duty, 420cc. Only time it barely wants to run is with the choke on, so there's either dirt or water in the carburetor or something. That's kind of a common problem on power washers. So we'll tear it apart and see if we can get it running again. So hope you enjoy the video. And we'll take the air filter off. Well, it didn't have the nut on top of the air filter, and it wobbled the air filter top hole really big. That's not good. I'm gonna go ahead and take that gas tank off too. We'll clean the outside of that carb a little bit before we tear it apart. Go ahead and pop that spark plug out of there. There's actually some water beads on the spark plug there. Make sure your gap on these between 33 and 35 thousandths. I was going to take the gas tank off, but I'm just going to blow it out really good. Okay, let's take the bowl off this. And then when you put the bowl back on, this little drain plug is like the opposite of where your fuel shut off and the inlet is right there. It actually looks pretty clean. We're just gonna go ahead and give it a run through the carburetor cleaner. And our pilot jet or idler jet is right under here. This is where your idler screw is. You gotta take this idler screw out. That's what holds it. It's just pressed in there. Make sure the O-ring's in good shape. The little jet on top here. Plug the hole on one side. And it shoots out a nice fine stream, but I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the cleaner for a little bit. Okay, got it boiled out here. I didn't really see that much wrong with it, to tell you the truth, but only takes one piece of dirt or one little drop of water to make these doggone things not run. Then on the main jet here, the main jet's right in here. If you shoot carburetor cleaner in there, you'll be able to see it go through there. So make sure your main jet's clean and your pilot jet's clean. Let's put this all back together again and see what happens. I blew out the tank really good. Didn't really see much in water in there, so I don't know. I'm gonna cut the end of this hose off a little bit. There's some dry cracks in it. Put that spring on and the linkage. Now that vent tube back there, we gotta get that put on there. So here's a, hold on how wore out it was. Here's a new one. And just put a new nut on there. I already put new oil in it. There was a little bit of water in the oil, but that wouldn't make it not run. So just gonna put a little bit of gas in here. I can't run it very long because they never brought the wand or nothing. And I don't want to burn out the pump. If I can get it so it starts and runs halfway decent, I'll go ahead and shut it off. But let me go grab some fuel. I always use premium. Okay, turn the gas on. Choke on. Switch on. Must have had a little piece of dirt or something in that carburetor. It starts right up now. Like I said, I don't want to run it very long. I don't want to ruin that power washer pump. I don't feel like buying them a new one. But I appreciate you watching the video. Hope you liked the video. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon. Bye.